It's about 10:30 in the morning. I slept in. It's a Saturday. And the cats are very hungry. Just try and get a bit of their sound effects. Kato, you want your dinner? Want your dinner? Try and get the blur out. There we go. Good boy. It's very cute. They're very hungry. Want your dinner? Dinner? Want your dinner, Lara? That's enough teasing. I should actually go and feed them now.